Hey guys, it's your boy Gangsta Pikachu here, and I'm doing a food review with Bryce. Bryce, get over here.
Who the fuck is Bryce? My name is Dick Sucking Fucking Hoe. Also known as Trickety. Go follow me on YouTube.
Okay, but today we are gonna be eating some Cheez-Its. Okay, now these cancer-filled fuckers are gonna taste wonderful. These taste like Oompa Loompa penis times 20.
Let me taste it.
Bryce, what do you think this tastes like?
It tastes like bullshit.
I not only enjoy Cheez-Its, the Cheez-Its enjoy. Oh, fuck. Bryce, why?
Gotcha, bitch.
You Imperial Raisin.
Also gonna go buy Imperial Raisins on our store.
You just fucking. Where's the shoe? Where's the shoe? Where's the shoe? Get over here. Get over here.
Look, I literally probably have marks on my back. Oh,
Fuck. That has been this food review, your daily filled cancer video for today, and goodbye.